that it feels right.
Hi guys, welcome back here, Character the Gamer. Today we'll be installing a steering wheel, but before I get to that, I had a company send me out a few things here. Sent me a plate, no stickers, and this is what I was mainly hitting for. My racing sticker, Mexican flag. We're putting this right there, and I guess putting these up front with the Takata ones. So thanks to this company, send me out a few more things, stickers and a plate. So yeah, let's get those on, and let's get to the steering wheel. Not bad, I like it. Alright, you guys already know, we got the boss kit, got the hub here. And there it is. Not bad. And it comes with the screws. Actually good screws that shouldn't strip. I was gonna go with like a full eBay one, non-brand, super cheap, but you know what? I was like, let me at least get a brand one. So you know, cause it's better than like the. So I got a HKB one. It's better than the generic non-brand ones, and it's part of the hub. So it shouldn't really break on me. And for the steering wheel, check this one out. Not bad, not bad. So let's get this installed and see inside the car. I've been running no airbag for a long time. Just get this and loosen it up, and I already found an issue. There's this, that's the horn thing. There's this little tiny thing, you know, and it fits. The only issue is that that thing stops it from it turns though, it just stops it from going in, which is a problem. What I might end up just doing is chopping it off, and then yeah. Alright, just hit it with the angle grinder real quick. Chop it off. Should be good enough. Just gotta jump over boxes here. Yeah. Now just gotta. This stuff is in the way. I want to use the steel wipers, but looks like I won't be using those. So, well, I ran into a little bit of an issue. That screw is way too far in. That means I'm gonna have to. What I might end up doing is cutting. Cut something, man. I'm thinking of just chopping this right here to make it fit. So to slide in a bit more, so the bolt can actually fit, or get a longer bolt. But I'll just do that because I'm not getting a longer bolt.
Find the right words. There's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right.
Got the piece cut. Get this focused. Alright, we cut this chunk off. It's hot. Ah, that's hot. That part has part of the threads, but it was too long so the screw didn't fit, so actually made it shorter. Oh dang, this whole part is hot. Alright, I'm gonna just grind it down a little bit with the grinder, not the cutter. The grinder blade here, make it nice and smooth, and because it's a bit, you know, but let's go check if it fits. Alright, got the thing to fit. I haven't grinded it down yet. I will soon. There, fits right there. The only issue, you know, the bolt fits. Okay. It caught right there. Right there. And that's, yeah. That's all it goes in. So I might grind that part down a little bit and see if it makes it a bit better so the bolt can actually like go a bit more than like 2 or 3 threads, because I'm not trying to crash and have the things pop out. But yeah. I'm going to be setting this to 50 foot-pounds. Small little torque wrench, but does a job. There we go. 50 foot-pounds. Things on there, not going anywhere. Well, alright. Well, there it goes. There it is. I just put like a good bolt here and a good bolt here because I don't want these to like strip out. But really, there's a minimal flex, you know. But for right now, for daily driving, once I start to get into track, I will buy like a real NRG or something like that. But the steering wheel, the only thing that doesn't is the indicators. Like once I go, they won't stop. I have to manually stop them, but oh well. I think it looks a lot better and cleaner than having this on it. A lot better. Yeah. Alright guys, well I guess we're gonna wrap the video here. HKB Sports, the hubs. This was for what year? 1996 to 2003 hub, Volkswagen hub kit. It's supposedly, I put my information for this car. That's the one they sent me. I had to cut it to shape. I had to cut it so I could fit it. I had to literally cut it so it could fit, or it would not have fit. If you sell a kit for something, just make sure it's for the car. I put all my information in. I even double checked it. So, oh well. Don't really recommend it. Hub, screws aren't perfectly aligned. They do give you some good screws though. The screws are alright quality, not like the cheap ones of the steering wheel. But yeah, steering wheel, got that installed. Not bad. I think it looks pretty dang good. And I'll be installing these stickers. I'm going to see if they could sponsor me. Still talking to them through email. See if they could sponsor me for this, for you know, a few things for this build here and there, right? You know, just a few things so you guys can see too. But yeah, I'm just gonna slap on those stickers on the front and we'll be good. So thanks for watching. Please stay tuned for my next video. Yeah, guys, and as always, guys, peace out.